Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get wrenching.
The first turbocharged BMW engine in V8 configuration was released in 2008 to replace the atmospheric N63B44. For the N63, a new aluminum cylinder block was developed with an all-new lightweight crank mechanism. Specifications: the cylinder heads are redesigned, with revised intake and exhaust ports. Inlet valves are 33.2 mm in diameter and exhaust valves are 29 mm in diameter. The N63 cylinder heads are equipped with a modernized bivanos dual-vanos intake and exhaust camshaft timing system. The specifications of the standard BMW N63 camshafts are: phase 231, lift 8.8 mm. The timing drive utilizes a new toothed bushing chain. The turbocharging system is realized with two Garrett MGT22S turbochargers working in parallel and placed in the block camber. There is also the exhaust. The maximum boost pressure of the N63 is 0.8 bar. Siemens MSD85 control system. In 2012, the engine was modernized and received the prefix TU to its name. In the finalized power plant used pistons with modified bottom end, new connecting rods, adapted crankshaft. The cylinder head is designed to utilize the Valvetronic 3 intake valve lift system, as on the N55, as well as direct fuel injection, TVDI. The N63 TU camshafts are new composite camshafts with a 260-252 phase and 8.89.0 mm lift. The Vanos timing system has been modernized and its adjustment ranges have been extended. Intake 70 was 50, exhaust 55 was 50. The cooling and oil supply system was improved. The intake was modified. The exhaust remained the same. Turbocharger pump wheel slightly modified. Engine management system was replaced by Bosch MEVD 17.2. 8. Power units N63 and N63 TU were used in BMW cars with the Index 50i. Based on the N63B44 engine, the BMW S63 Sports turbocharged motor was created for the X6M, X5M, M6 and M5. Technical characteristics of BMW N63B44 engine. Parameter name characteristic engine brand BMW N63B44 years of production 2008, present. Volume 4,395 cubic centimeters, power 408, 5500 450 5500, TU. Number of cylinders 8, number of valves 32, piston diameter, fuel consumption amount of oil in the engine 8.5 liters, recommended oil for use 5W 35W 40, resource 400 plus 1000 km. BMW N63B44 engine modifications. The engine has modifications, which were installed on some models of cars: N63B4400, 2008 to 2014, basic version with an output of 408 horsepower at 5500 to 6400 RPM, torque 600 Nm at 1750 to 4500 RPM. 89 N63B4401, 2012, present, a modified version of N63 TU. See the list of changes above. Power output 450 horsepower at 5500 to 6000 RPM, torque 650 Nm at 2000 to 4500 RPM. 9.2 Maintenance of N63B44 power unit should be performed every 15,000 km, but as for any engine, it is recommended to reduce the period by 1.5 times to increase the life of the motor. To prevent other malfunctions, it is recommended to make diagnostics of the electronic engine control unit for errors during each maintenance. Faults and repairs. The main engine faults you may encounter are oil burn, This problem is related to the incrustation of piston grooves and loss of properties of rings, and the malfunction may appear on motors with a mileage of 50,000+ kilometers. The way out: overhaul with replacement of piston rings. Water hammer. This trouble can happen after a long idle time of the engine. The reason is unsuccessful piezo injectors, repeatedly changed during the production of N63B44. To avoid this problem, it is necessary to replace the injectors with the latest revision. Ignition misses. The root of the evil here are spark plugs. The problem is solved by replacing them with plugs from the Sportium series. In addition, high oil consumption can also cause corrosion of a loose oil, in which case you will have to change the cylinder block. Not too successful location of turbines between the rows of cylinders provides high concentration of heat dissipation in the collapse of the block, where the main lines of turbine oil supply pass. As a result, the tubes get clogged, oil does not flow, and the turbines die. Vacuum tubes, cooling pipes, etc. also suffer from the increased temperature in the camber. For successful and maximally trouble-free operation of the N63 engine, it is necessary to constantly monitor its condition and regularly undergo maintenance. With this approach, you can promptly replace unsuccessful nodes with fresh models and somewhat protect yourself from serious problems. Conclusion: the N63B44 engine is a simple and reliable power unit. Maintenance can be carried out with your own hands. Due to its simple design, it can also be repaired by yourself. BMW N63B44 engine. BMW N63B44 engine. In conclusion, the BMW N63B44 engine stands out as a remarkable piece of engineering, blending power and efficiency in a way that has captivated enthusiasts and drivers alike. With its twin-turbocharged V8 design, this engine delivers impressive performance while maintaining a level of refinement that is characteristic of the BMW brand. Whether you're considering it for a luxury sedan or a high-performance sports car, the N63B44 showcases the innovative spirit of BMW. Thank you for watching, and we hope this deep dive into the N63B44 has provided you with valuable insights into one of BMW's most notable engines.